doing? You can't do that. It's only one.
Alright, anyway, I think this is Dallas now.
Yeah, this is Dallas. Probably your first time in the Dallas city limits this trip.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out a Chevron gas station with the car wash. Another one I haven't filmed yet. Okay, now we'll be checking out the washer at the Chevron in Dallas off of Coit in Frankford.
You know, I've never seen a rarity with gas like that. Whoa, garage. Like a taco casa in there. The drive-thru for the restaurant.
That door looks...
Do you want to stay in here?
Oh, it's a code only.
Oh.
These are sort of a pain because you have to like go in and then buy a wash code.
Okay. Do you want me to go inside? Can we go inside really quick and get it?
Yeah, buy the top wash code.
Okay.
Yeah. Of course, you know, just drive.
It's not gonna yell at you if you
No, it's not. That's got the older Ryko logo on it. I wonder how this is. It's an interesting wash bay. Wash not ready.
Wash not ready. Yeah. If you want, you can.
So yeah, here's your pay station, code only. You don't see too many of these new ones. Unfortunately, foiled again. Told the wash is out of soap, so it's out of stuff. So your undercarriage doesn't have those side blasters like so many Rykos do. Another radius machine. I like the original one better than the new one, I think. Here's your wash arm. Making a weird noise. Ultrasonic sensors, I guess. Wash arm. It's also got onboard dryers too. And then another sensor, I think, right there. And your signage. I wonder if there was something in here previously, because yeah, it's on a freestanding frame. And there's CMD display and lights. This is kind of a weird bay, like there's this door, because you gotta go by the chemical room. But yeah. You scared me, dude. Alright, well, unfortunately that's sad.